Hey guys, Meso here. Come on into my kitchen today where we're going to be doing something great. I'm going to be making a delicious dish. It's quick, simple, and very, very easy to do. And I just got to show it to you. You're going to love it. You're going to appreciate it. You're going to be serving it to your family, I guess by tomorrow, honey. That's how easy it is and how quick you can do it. So let's go ahead and get started, honey. I got here some ground beef, zucchini, some potatoes, and some cheese. All kind of good stuff. Got these seasonings here too and some onions. And let's go on and put this together. This is going to be a zucchini potato bake. Let's get started by spraying this this pan with either use vegetable spray or butter spray. Going to go ahead and spray the pan, and then we're going to start getting these zucchinis down on the pan. I've sliced these zucchini no special way, and I tried to, as close as I could, I tried to slice them all the same size. I'm going to spray a little bit of that vegetable spray right on top. All right, then I'm using some pink Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink salt. Let's try it that way. I'm going to sprinkle that right on top of the zucchini. So I'm coming back with some paprika because I want to give it just a little color, and this is just regular paprika. And now I'm going to put on some lemon pepper. I'm going to just season these up real good, but it doesn't take a lot. And then I'm going to put on some granulated onion. And of course, we wouldn't be doing anything if I didn't also use some granulated garlic. So we're going to put this garlic on. All right. And some oregano. Now, I didn't tell you that I had my zucchini in a bowl, and I put a little olive oil in the bowl, about a tablespoon maybe, and I just worked all the zucchini to get the oil on the zucchini. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin my other stuff, honey. So I got some coconut oil, and I'm going to put in here about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into my pan. I'm putting in a tablespoon. This is a heaping tablespoon, so don't be scared, honey. I'm putting in 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. Now I have the stove turned on a medium heat, maybe on my stove it's about a 6 or a 7. So I just I use a wire whisk to whisk all this together, get out all the lumps in the flour. I just put in some pepper, and now I'm going to put in some kosher salt. But we want to cook this just long enough so that it cooks out all the rawness of the flour, and the flour becomes kind of toasted and good. So I'm using here a cup of milk. And I'm going to just stir this and see how that works out. Now, the key that you're looking for here is just smoothness. You want to make sure you get all of that flour blended into the milk, and all of it, no lumps anywhere. Yeah, I had to reach over here and, honey, get my wire whisk because I want this to be right. Okay, so I've got my heat turned up to on about an 8 now, and so you see that with my wire whisk, it can work magic, honey. It can do what no spoon or fork can do. It just gets out all those lumps. Still gonna just cook this just a little while longer. I'm adding here some broth. I'm adding some chicken broth. You can add broth, or you could even add water here, another cup, if you want to. If you don't have anything else, you can add water. But you could add milk, water, or the broth. And I'm adding broth today. And I'm going to just get that going while I continue to whisk. I'm just on the prowl, honey, for any lump. I don't want to see a lump, not one in this. I'm looking for a lump or any kind of, I hate lumpy gravy. I hate lumpy anything. So I'm going to go ahead and get my meat down into this gravy. And I'm just going to, what I had there, I believe, was about a half a pound. And I have my dish here, And I'm just going to spray this dish. Don't need much oil at all in this. And I'm going to come right down. First, I'm going to put right down the gravy and the meat mixture. I'm going to put that down first. Then I'm going to take my sliced potatoes, which have been sliced, and they've been out a little while. They're sort of turned a little bit dark, but honey, they eat just the same. Then I put cheese down, and then I put some more zucchini, and now I am just putting some onions. These onions I just sliced up, and I actually put just about a tablespoon of water on them and covered them and put them in the microwave so they could just steam. So I'm going to get them down over this. Now I'm coming right back with that gravy and meat mixture. Now if you don't want to use ground beef, you could use a sausage. You could use the roll sausage, the pork. If you wanted to use that, that will give it a delicious taste. Just getting this over here. I'm using my last little bit. And I'm just going to spread this out all on top of the little casserole, or I call it a bake. And then I'm coming back with some cheese. I have some cheese here in my little lock bag. What do you call these things? Ziploc bag. And I'm going to get this cheddar cheese down on top. And I'm also going to put some mozzarella on top. I just want this all over the top. A little more mozzarella, of course. Okay. So now I'm just sprinkling some paprika on the top of this. That's going to just make it look pretty, honey. And coming back with a little bit of parsley. And that's going to make it even prettier. Ooh, this is looking good. Everything is cooked. So I'm just going to set it into the oven to melt this cheese and to get it all hot and bring it all together. You see it bubbling there? That's been in the oven and now it's out, honey. That is hot, hot, hot. The cheese is melted. Everything is working together, honey. Everything is combined together to make this thing good. Get a good close look. Piping hot. I'm not going to cut it right now while it's bubbling. I'm going to let it sit here and rest for just a little bit. See that? Picture perfect and delicious. It's a casserole, honey. It's a meal in one. You got your veggies, you got your meat, you got your cheese. What else can you ask for? Okay. Just want to show you those edges. So I'm going to come here now. I will let it sit for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to come in with my big old knife, honey, and I am going to cut. I'm going to cut you a square. You like that corner piece? I love the corner piece of anything I'm eating. I don't care what it is. I love the corner. Because I'm just always looking for some crispy edges. Even if the dish doesn't have any, I'm still just always after some crispy edges and some creamy, soft stuff, something in the middle. And I think this one might just fit the bill. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So I'll put it on this ugly plate, and then it's the only plate I had handy. And then I am going to taste it for you. I just grabbed this plate. I wasn't even thinking about the picture, how it's going to look on video. Honey, I was wanting to taste this. I was wanting to get into it. Look at that potato. Look at all that creamy goodness. Look at the meat. Everything just saturated in the cheese and that gravy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is so good. It don't make any sense. This is so good it doesn't make any sense for anything to be this good. How can we eat right? How can we eat less? What can we do when we got stuff like this? I guess we just have to eat it and worry about that tomorrow. Look at those onions. Look at this, y'all. Oh, you see how it's just gleaming with the gravy and come on, get into my belly. It is hot. So good, so good. Now, you know, it's really not necessary for me to eat this much just to show you how it is on the inside. But I'm telling you, I want to eat this whole thing. I'm going to get off camera pretty soon and do just that, honey. Look, 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 looky, look. Oh. I was going to put it down. I thought, no, I'm going to eat it. It don't get no better than this for a side dish. And it's simple, it's easy. And you got all this stuff. A zucchini, some potatoes. Ooh. Good, good, good. Hey guys, I want to thank you for dropping by and checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew I would be throwing down. Now, I hope I did not disappoint. If you like my channel, guys, subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. I love hearing from you guys. Share this video wherever you're active on social media, on other platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Come and visit me there. Thank you guys again. Bye-bye.